What happens if you plank every day for 1 minute? Bodyweight exercises are becoming increasingly popular, and the reason is clear. They're simple, practical, and can be done almost anywhere. One of the standout exercises in this category is the plank. This workout is perfect for people with busy schedules and limited time. But what happens if you commit to planking every day for just 1 minute? It's amazing how many benefits this simple exercise can offer. From physical improvements to mental health benefits, there are countless reasons to add this to your daily routine. Let's explore its advantages in detail. 1. Protects your back and spine. Did you know that planking can reduce the risk of back and spinal injuries? Yes. When done correctly, it strengthens your back muscles without putting unnecessary pressure on your spine or hips. Unlike some exercises that can strain your lower back, planking is low impact yet highly effective. As your back muscles get stronger, your posture will improve, whether you're sitting, walking, or standing. It can even help alleviate back pain, especially for people who spend long hours sitting. Tones and strengthens your abs. If you're aiming for toned abs, planks are one of the best exercises you can do. They engage all major core muscle groups, including your obliques and abdominal muscles. In fact, planks are often considered more effective than crunches. And as your plank endurance improves, your overall strength will increase too. This will enhance your performance in other exercises as well. And if you're looking to strengthen your glutes, here's some good news: planks help with that too. 3. Boosts your metabolism. One of the lesser-known benefits of planking is its impact on your metabolism. Because it's a compound exercise that engages multiple muscle groups simultaneously, planking burns more calories than traditional exercises like sit-ups or crunches. But the benefits don't stop there. As you build muscle through consistent planking, your resting metabolic rate increases. This means your body burns more calories even when you're not exercising. 4. Improves balance and stability. Have you ever tried standing on one leg, only to wobble after a few seconds? A lack of balance often stems from weak core muscles. Planking is an effective way to address this issue. By strengthening your core, planking improves your overall balance and stability. Whether you're an athlete aiming to boost performance or someone who just wants to feel more steady, this exercise can make a noticeable difference. 5. Mental health benefits. Planks aren't just great for your body, they're amazing for your mind too. This exercise helps reduce stress and improve your mood. How? Planks stretch and activate muscles that tend to hold tension, such as those in your shoulders, neck, and back. This release of physical tension can have a calming effect on your nervous system. Additionally, regular planking can boost focus and reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. What to expect after 30 days? If you commit to planking every day for just 1 minute, you'll likely notice changes within a few weeks. Your posture will improve, your core will feel stronger, and everyday movements will become easier. Tips for success. If you're new to planking, start slow and focus on proper form. Keep your back straight, elbows directly under your shoulders, and core engaged. Planking every day for just 1 minute may seem small, but the benefits are huge. From improving physical health to boosting mental well-being, this simple exercise can deliver amazing results. Are you ready to take on the 1-minute plank challenge? If so, commit for 30 days and share your progress with us. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. It might inspire them too. Let us know in the comments if you're taking the challenge and what changes you notice along the way. And hey, don't miss out on more health and fitness tips. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Let's get stronger together. See you in the next video.